Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your VIPKid teaching account so you can start teaching kids English and getting paid for it. Follow these simple instructions to ensure a smooth setup for your teaching journey. Step 1. Visit the VIPKid website. First, go to the VIPKid official website. Look for the Apply Now button at the top of the homepage and click on it. This will direct you to the application page where you can start the sign-up process. Step 2. Create an account. Fill in the necessary information, such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a secure password. Once you have entered all the required details, click on Sign Up to create your account. Step 3. Complete your profile. After creating your account, you will be prompted to complete your profile. This includes education credentials, work experience, and a brief introduction about yourself. Make sure to highlight any teaching experience you may have, as this can enhance your application. Step 4. Submit your application. Once your profile is complete, review all the information you've provided and then submit your application. Make sure there are no errors or missing information, as this can delay the approval process. Step 5. Prepare for the interview. If your application is pre-approved, you will be invited to an interview. This step may vary, but generally, you need to prepare a short demo lesson to showcase your teaching skills. Make sure to practice and familiarize yourself with the VIPKid teaching materials. Step 6. Attend the interview. Log into the platform for your scheduled interview. Make sure you are in a quiet space with good lighting and minimal distractions. During the interview, present your demo lesson confidently and engage with the interviewer as you would with a student. Step 7. Background check. Once you pass the interview, VIPKid will conduct a background check. Be prepared to provide necessary information for this process. Once cleared, you will receive further instructions. Step 8. Familiarize yourself with the teaching platform. After your background check is complete, you can log into the VIPKid teaching platform. Take some time to explore the resources available to teachers, including lesson plans and teaching tools. Step 9. Set your availability. Customize your teaching schedule by setting your availability. Decide when you can teach classes, keeping in mind the time zone of your students who are mainly in China. Step 10. Start teaching. With everything set up, you are now ready to start teaching. Prepare for your classes, engage with your students, and enjoy the rewarding experience of helping kids learn English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. We hope this guide helps you activate your VIPKid teaching account and kickstart your teaching career. Thank you for watching.